All right, so let's do an activity number 22. So try doing it yourself first, give it a pause, and then we will discuss the solution here. All what you need to do is to identify where the data should be forwarding from. The data should be forwarding from this XMEM pipeline register, or the data should be forwarding from the MEM write back pipeline register. Okay, so give it a pause and then try to solve it yourself, and then we'll discuss the solution. All right, so in this case, you see the data being written in the x2, and this x2 is acting as a source. So when this instruction generates perform this operation at ALU x1 minus x3, the data of x1 minus x3 will be stored here, right, in the xmem register. But by that time, this instruction is supposed to be fetching the contents of x2 and x5. So x2 is not updated yet into the register. So we need to fetch the data stored in the xmem register. So it will be, so rs1 for the ALU must not be coming from the register file, but it must be coming from the data that is stored in the xmem register. Okay. Similarly, for in this case, once this instruction reaches to this point, and this instruction will be in the phase of instruction decode. Okay, so it will be, this instruction will be in the execution phase. So if it fetches the value from the register file, it will not be using the updated value of x2. The updated value of x2 by this time, by this clock cycle, is stored in this mem write back register. So it must be using the data from the mem write back register, and make sure that you connect the wire to the correct input signal of the ALU. So here it is connected to this path, which corresponds to RS2, and here it's connected to the first wire, which corresponds to RS1. Okay, this source ALU register 1.